I believe that you have chosen to have pleasure in life. I believe that you believe that you love pleasure, that you choose pleasure, that it is something that is worth choosing, let's say. Yet, I can observe that most of us do actually not really know how to include the pleasure in every moment of your day. The point here is that we have a knowledge that choosing pleasure would resolve every troubles. And we know that when we have a difficulty or trouble with oneself or with anyone else, it's actually because the pleasure to be and be with has been replaced by any invention or lie from the mind mainly. Now, also in the sexual experience, we choose sex to have pleasure, but how much of it do we actually allow to flow through our body and to expand into the space of our consciousness and to nourish us and the other one? What contribution that are we resisting to be at this moment because of the point of view we have about what pleasure is or should be? My proposition is to dig into this amazing resource of life and transformation that the pleasure is from the moment you allow it to be and start to appreciate it for what it is truly. What it is truly for me, the key for everything. And the creation also, the source for creating anything in your life. That is what I call the triumph of pleasure, because it allows, if you choose it, if you choose to be it, and to be it with others, and with the nature, and with the earth, and etc., it allows you to triumph not only the personal difficulties you may believe you have or have, but also with others in every area of your life. And it helps tremendously to make this reality work for you and to stop working for it. It's the easiest way to go from trying to adapt yourself to this reality to adapting this reality to you and what you are. So that is the triumph of pleasure. And I invite you to those classes. It's 4 years now I'm giving those classes. We had amazing experiences and transformations. It has had different names, but now it's going to be called from now on the triumph of pleasure, because I know that it is a triumph, that it is helping you to triumph of all the limitations you believe you have and define yourself as that you're not. See if it talks to you and your body, and just come in and taste it. I'll be so honored to, walk with you through this discovery of the most easiest, funny and creative and abundant thing on earth that we are made for, as long as we acknowledge we have a body for it. Love you all and see you soon. Bye bye.